In my earlier video, I have shown the circuit diagram for the three basic gates. So these are the three basic gates. So for doing this experiment, we have to connect each and every basic gates. So in digital trainer kit. So for this, first one is suppose this is our NAND gate diagram, circuit diagram, OR gate and NOT gate. Sorry, first one is AND gate, not NAND gate. So now after doing this circuit diagram, what we have to find actually, so that I will show that how the truth table of each and every gate will be verified. So that I will discuss in this video. So this is the experimental result of NOT gate. So according to the NOT gate, what it happens when we are applying 0, then complement of 0 is 1, so output will show 1. When it is 1, then it will be 0. So for each and every step, so there must be some voltage level. So that voltage level we have to measure by using some voltmeter, and we have to note it down. So that means this circuit is okay for NOT gate. Next, OR gate OR gate. Verification of OR gate table. So according to OR gate table, so there will be two input. OR gate is a two input gate. So here two inputs are this 0 0. So for 0 0 output is 0. For 0 1 it will be 1. It is 1 0 it will be 1. Again 1 1 it will be 1. So OR gate is based on the final expression y equal to a plus b, where y equal to a plus b. Y is the output and a and b are the input. So for each and every set, there are some voltage level that we can measure by using our voltmeter. So we have to write down this. So in the third one, that is the NAND gate diagram, circuit diagram. This is also a two input gate. So this is the truth table, observation table for the NAND gate. Here also, so the output of the NAND gate is like this: y equal to a into b. So here 0 input, so a into b it will be 0. 0 1 again it will be 0. 1 0 0, but 1 1 then it will be 1. For each and every input and output level, there are some voltage level that we have to measure and we have to note it down. So that means all these three circuit diagram verify the truth table for each and every basic gauge. So this is so this is actually the final conclusion of this experiment. So thank you everyone.